Hey guys, Kujin here. Today I will be bringing you a pretty nice Gunzerker pistol build. And there's the build. Here's the stuff I will be using. That for damage, that for heal, and I'm not going to be using them two or whatever. I'm going to be using a Rough Rider, Magic Missile for Slag, and Sheriff's Badge, and Chaotic Evil Monk for +6 and motherfucking money shot. Yeah. And so I'm gonna freeze it again. I'm gonna freeze it right here so you can see the build, and then we're gonna kill Pete in a second.
Maybe we should play so quietly no one can hear us. What did you say? Big, meaty What did you say?
What kind of monsters are we? That poor creature came to us in his hour of need, and we failed him. Squidward's always been there for us when it was convenient for him. Evelyn, when your little Jimmy was trapped in a fire, who rescued him?
A fireman?
And Larry, when your heart gave out from all those tanning pills, who revived you?
Some guy in an ambulance.
Right! So if we all could just pretend that Squidward was a fireman or some guy in an
Yeah, so that was Pete getting raped, and I hope you enjoyed the little dubstep I had on. And I'll see you again next time.